Bybit versus Bitget. Bybit and Bitget are two popular cryptocurrency trading platforms that cater both beginners and advanced traders. Each has unique features that make it suitable for different trading preferences. Below is a comparison of key aspects to help you decide which platform is good for you. Bybit is established in 2018. It's a derivatives exchange that focuses on perpetual contracts and margin trading. It is known for its user-friendly interface and advanced trading tools, and it primarily caters to seasoned traders with features like leverage trading and derivatives. While Bitget is recognized for its copy trading and innovative features for beginners and experienced traders alike. It offers both spot trading and futures, making it a versatile platform. It's a strong emphasis on social trading to attract new users. Bybit is available, but it's not primarily focusing on spot trading, while Bitget offers a wide range of tokens for spot trading. When it comes to derivatives, Bybit advanced tools for perpetual contracts, and Bitget has competitive futures trading options. For copy trading, Bybit lacks built-in copy trading, but Bitget strong focuses on copy trading functionality. And finally, staking or rewards. Bybit has limited staking options, while Bitget offers flexible staking and saving plans. When it comes to fees in spot trading, futures trading, deposit fees or withdrawal fees, they are both the same. And they are both secure and have 24/7 multilingual customer support. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.